Ayan, hi guys, I'm Jeff Pascua of POACL and I'm with
Team, aka the Enforcer, Polero from Team Philex Vanguard.
002.
So parang meron din silang mga bagong pairing here no for the men's doubles because I think sila Basano ngayon pa lang natin nakikita. I'm excited to see the aggression of the play here of Team Polero. So what we're seeing here so far is not what I was actually expecting with yung stance dito no, ni Team Polero when he's about to serve.
Not the usual, no?
No. Beautiful backhand drive, choosing to attack Team Polero. Labasano, pero Labasan making a brief mistake there.
Nagatirahin mo ng binahin timbol, Team Polero.
And of course, we have Enzo Timbol watching, a good friend of mine, playing at Pycl Paranaque.
Kaya kailangan sobrang above the net lang ng konting-konti. Ayun na naman.
Labasano with the lob, Team Polero with a scramble. Team Polero! So minsan aapak yung itatap ko yung right foot ko bago mag-serve. Minsan naman itataas ko yung paddle ko to make sure na aware yung kalaban.
6. Kabilon.
Team Polero!
Beautiful serve by Katindig. Joria.
Cortez.
Grabe
With
namang
multiple
depensa yun!
overheads. Kaya yun ang nakikita natin na puro third shot drive tayo followed by a fifth shot drop. Beautiful reset there. Joria proving her defense prowess. Punish!